Futurecast.
Flash flood watch starts at 10 o'clock tonight. For most of us, those heavy bands of rain which came through earlier are now starting to lift off to the north. However, notice in one section of Rhode Island, as we take you right now to live Pinpoint Doppler 12, that little stripe of yellow and orange there in northern Rhode Island, that's producing some fairly heavy downpours. So that is one area we are watching. In fact, a flash flood advisory in effect for that particular spot until 8 o'clock. For the rest of us, you could see, yeah, some showers here and there, but the heaviest of the stuff is now pushed by. But notice this stripe of yellow here. We'll take a closer look at that. And you can see out towards Pasco, Greenville, even along 295, say into Lincoln or Smithfield. You could see some of these downpours creating some issues, primarily poor drainage, flooding, those intersections, roads and streets, which typically have a problem. They could have another problem over the next several hours as this rain may take its time moving out of the area. Now, in terms of the showers that were around the capital city, you can see we're getting a break from that right now, but there are more down to the south, and it's because of the heaviest of the rain, which is still offshore. That's why that flash flood watch is in effect. Let me show you what I mean. You see 8 o'clock, we're still kind of broken up with the showers here and there, but watch everything really start to fill in past 8, 9 o'clock. This is midnight. These yellow specks representing some downpours. Those go off and on tonight. Could be mixed with some rumbles of thunder as well. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning could be heavy at times, especially from New Bedford and points east along 195, but even into Rhode Island, we could be stuck with some fairly heavy rain. And then throughout the late morning, early afternoon, we slowly push away the precipitation. Could get some breaks in the cloud cover late afternoon, but I'm thinking more clouds than sun tomorrow, and quite windy as well. This is basically a summer nor'easter that's moving on through, and that has kept temperatures really cool in the 60s for the entire day. Temperature right now at 61 degrees, a complete change from that heat wave last week. Winds out of the northeast at 13 miles an hour. Temperatures upper 50s in Smithfield, 63 New Bedford, 62 Newport, and westerly at 63. So the bullseye of this nor'easter still is down to our south. You can see the leading edge of it on the bottom edge of your TV set. But again, this kind of wobbles on by tonight through tomorrow morning, and as it does, it increases the moisture and also increases the wind. A pretty breezy morning and afternoon tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon, speaking of wind, there is the word wind. I put that because, yeah, it's going to be windy. Low 70s tomorrow afternoon. It may take a while to get to the 70s. I think in the morning we're stuck in the 60s. In terms of sunshine, not a lot. I'm thinking mid to late afternoon, a little bit of brightening as possible. Here's the latest on Tropical Storm Dorian. No big changes in strength right now. Still forecasted to head towards Puerto Rico by early Tuesday morning. So in terms of United States threats, we're still many days away from making the call on that, but definitely worth watching. The water temperature just so warm that there's always a concern about tropical storms when we have warm ocean water. 7-day Futurecast shows a beauty on the way Saturday. Warmer, a little more sticky. Temperature of 85 degrees. Could be some late day thunderstorms on Sunday, and some of those showers could spill into Monday morning. Tuesday and Wednesday looking good. Highs in the low 80s. Could be some showers Wednesday night into Thursday. Don't forget about WPRI.com for more weather updates. You know, we went right from complaints about the heat, right to complaints about the cold. No nice middle spot in between.
I know, it feels like fall, but it looks like we're going to get back to summer. So
yes, we will.
I won't complain.
Yep.
All right, thanks, Pete.
New at 5:30, we have more coverage you can count on coming up.